I'm a college student, so which one would be better for me? Because now I would like to know your recommendation in that. That because I am not getting any salary, so
Hmm.
salary account would not be good for me. So what's your
Hmm.
recommendation on this?
I would recommend saving account. Are meeting for the first
Exactly.
time. I would like to know more about you. So please introduce yourself.
Okay, well, thank you to give me this wonderful opportunity. Well, my name is Lalit Kumar and I'm from Uttar Pradesh. Basically, I come all the way from Bulandshahr district. And if I talk about my qualifications, so I did pharmacy in my graduation, and it's been 7 years. I have been working in different organizations. And if I talk about my hobbies, I like to talk to, I like to have conversation with the people, and
Mm-hmm.
I like to do adventurous activity. I listen to music.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's all about me. Thank you. Now,
Are you using any app also beside this Skype app?
okay, yeah. Apart from this, I was using another application that was Jaws Skills. So I used
It
to
is a,
have
I think,
audio call there.
yeah, but I think it is a paid app.
Yeah, this was the paid app, and it was costing me around 600 rupees per year. So it was not that much expensive, right?
Mm-hmm.
But if I
Mm-hmm.
talk about apart from the JAWS application, I incalculated with many apps. Those were very expensive. Those were costing me like arm and a leg, right? So I
Mm-hmm.
didn't go for them, and I
Mm-hmm.
chose application. It was very cheaper as compared to the other applications. I chose
Mm-hmm.
and I tried to use that application, and I have been I would say using that application for 6 months, right?
Okay, so are you interested for role play? So we can do.
Yes, definitely. I'm very interested to have a role play because I never tried. Once I tried, another person said to me that you should try some role play. So I tried that time. Now, if you are like have if you have any topic to play the role, so we can like go with that as well. And this would be the
Okay,
great thing. Yeah.
okay. Like I am a bank representative and you are a new client and you want opening account in my bank. So there are some
Okay.
procedures like I need your photograph, your KYC. There's two, three
Okay.
steps. So we will do this kind of role play today. So are you
Okay.
interested?
Okay. Yes, definitely. We can break the ice on this thing, and it would be interested. I think.
Okay. So now I'm going
Okay.
to start this. May
Okay.
I help you, sir? What are you searching? Do you want
Yes.
any
Yes. I'm
executive?
looking. Yes. Yes. I am actually. I'm looking for get my account opened. So would you mind helping me in that?
Yes, yes. Do you have already account in my bank, in this bank, or it is your
No,
first account?
actually. Yes. Actually, I'm going to get my new account opened here. I do not have any account here so far. So would you mind
Okay.
helping me to open a new account here?
Okay. Like there are so many types of accounts: saving account, balance account, senior citizen account. So what type of account do
Okay.
you want open in this bank?
Actually, nowadays I'm just getting education from the college, so it means I'm a college student. So which one would be better for me? Because now I would like to know your recommendation in that. That because I am not getting any salary, so
Hmm.
salary account would not be good for me. So what's your
Hmm.
recommendation on this?
I would recommend saving account.
Okay, okay. So what all document you need to get my account opened?
Yeah, we need your KYC and we need some documents like your passport size photograph, two photographs,
Okay,
and your PAN
okay,
card, Aadhaar card, and your residence proof.
okay. So now I would like to know one more thing. How much does it cost to me to get a new account opened?
Initially, you have to maintain 1000 rupees.
Okay, but I already have told you that I'm in college and I'm not earning even a single penny. I'm getting all the money from my home, but I need this account to get my scholarship in this account. So I would not be able to maintain 1,000
If you
rupees.
are opening zero balance account, then you will not get so many, facility. There are so many benefits. But in the
Okay.
zero balance account, there is no, few number of facilities. So I would recommend this account, saving account.
Okay. Okay. So am I gonna get many benefits in that if I'll pay you
Yes,
1,000 rupees to open the
yes,
account?
yes. Like you will
Okay.
get your debit card hand to hand.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
But in zero balance account, you don't get any debit card.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So what all document you need for that account?
Yes, for this account, saving account, I need photographs, two photographs,
Okay.
Aadhaar card, PAN card, and your residence proof. If you are not living in your own house, that time we need your rent agreement.
Okay. Actually, now I only have all the documents in my phone. Would it be okay to you?
Yes, it is okay. I
Okay.
can
So I
open your
cannot give you
account.
the yes. I cannot give you the printout of the all document. I only can show you the digitally.
We have printer also, so we can take printout. So first I am giving
Okay.
you this
Okay.
application form. I am giving you application form and you should fill this form. There is one section. In one section, they are asking your nominee. So your
Okay.
nominee can be your mother, father, your spouse, your brother, but they should be 18 years old. Minor is not
Okay.
allowed. Minor is not allowed.
Okay. Okay, okay. I'll keep this thing in my mind and while filling the form. So I'll try to be very safer side that I'm not making any mistakes while filling. So, but
Hmm.
I will let you know if I am doing any mistake in that.
Okay. Then first you should fill this form, application form.
Okay, sure, sure. I'm just taking 5 minutes to fill it up and I'll be back to you.
Okay. Okay, take your
Now I
time.
have, okay, thank you. So excuse me, sir, I have filled my form. Would you mind submitting
Okay.
it with you?
First I will check your form. It is filled
Okay,
correctly or
okay,
not. Yes, it
okay.
is
Could you
correctly
check,
filled.
please?
Now I am going to apply for your account. It will take
Okay,
hardly
thank you.
30 minutes. You have to sit patiently.
Okay, okay. So I'll get my passbook as well in 30 minutes.
Yes, yes, you will get.
It is a great
But
service.
first,
It is a
but you
great
have to
process.
wait for 30 minutes. But you have to wait for 30 minutes.
No, 30 minute is not a big time for me because in my college I attend a lecture for 1 hour. So I would say it's an uh, less time for me, and I will be able to spend this time very soon. So well, I would like to say that your service is fantastic and you are providing fast service to your client. And I would really appreciate your effort that you are all available all the time to support your customers. And I'm very
Hmm.
happy with your services. Thank you for that.
Because we always believe customer is God, so we should serve him
Yeah, yeah,
honestly.
because actually we are from India, so we always think like that that our customer is good for us, and this is the good thing. And like I have visited lot many banks, but no one treated me like that as you treated me. So I'm really happy. I'm really ecstatic that I came into this bank and I'm getting my account opened. Actually, my father also have a account in another bank. So I would also tell them to transfer their account to this bank because the service and the respect is great here.
And after receiving your passbook, your debit card, if you want, then you can give us your feedback. There is a feedback form you can fill.
Okay, now you already know what would be my feedback because I already have appreciated your effort. So I would definitely fill that form because I really want to
But sir,
appreciate such effort.
verbally I can understand, but it is in a written form. So I will submit
Okay.
this to my manager.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. I would submit that form to your boss as well, so that you would be considered like a great employee here because you are putting
Hmm.
your effort to provide great service and to support the customers as well. So I would be definitely going to fill that form. Thank you.
Half hours has been completed. Now your passbook and debit card you can take. From that counter, you can
Okay.
collect.
Okay. So now can I like submit, can I withdraw and can I deposit money in that account?
Yes, you can. And our bank is also giving mobile internet facility. If you want, then you should go on Google Play Store and you should download SBI bank application.
So have you registered my mobile number with my account?
First, you should put your customer ID. After that, it will activate.
Okay, because I usually use Phone Pay or Google Pay like that application. I usually use UPI. So while using UPI, it is mandatory to have mobile number registered with the account.
Yes,
So have you registered with that?
yes, yes. I have
Okay,
registered your
then
mobile number, and you can activate this service also.
it would be
But yes,
great because
you should aware. But you should aware some fraudsters. It is not good for our clients. They are demanding OTP, and after that, they are thefting your money.
yes. I have noticed this thing many times, and many people ripped off by these callers. They usually call to us and they try to flamboyant that they are from
Hmm.
bank and they are from like customer support and they need any document or something like that.
Hmm.
And by
Hmm.
mistaken, if someone provides them that OTP, they try to
Hmm.
rip off. They try to get completely empty their
Hmm.
account.
Yes. Nowadays, it is common.
Yes. Nowadays
So
it is common.
you should be
Yeah.
careful.
Yes, I will try to be very careful in that as well because I don't want any fraudulent kind of thing in my account because nowadays
Hmm.
like many things are going on and even the even like many bank employees are also incalculating himself in wrong things. So we I have to be very careful
Hmm.
if someone will call me to get my OTP, so I will always deny to them. I will always deny to him, and I will directly come to the bank to get the information if I need any information.
Yes, you should use this online service wisely.
Yes, definitely. I would use this online service wisely. Thank you.
Hmm. Do you have any query?
No, so far, first, I am like completely satisfied with your services. But yeah, if I have any query, then I will definitely let you know. Because first, I need to give it a check that how it works for me. If I will not be able to use in my application, so then I will let you know. And I know this thing that you will be there to help me or help me out from that situation.
In your welcome kit, there is a customer care number also. You can take help. If you are facing any
Okay.
problem, so you can contact them.
But one thing is there that whenever I try to connect any customer care, so it takes a lot of time to connect, right? So I
Then
think
you
it would be
can
great
directly come
to,
to the bank. If you are facing problem
yeah,
and if you are not understanding, then you can directly come to the bank. Our executive
yes,
can, they will explain you every, term and condition.
yeah. I was also thinking same that why shouldn't I come to the bank because it takes a lot of time and even sometimes it happens that I'm not getting my resolution over the call. So it would be great to
Yes.
come to the bank and it is just near about my home. So
Yes,
I can
then
come
it's,
to the bank and get some
yes.
information. And I know that you always be there to help me in
Yes,
anything, right?
we are always ready to assist you. If you are facing any kind of problem, then you can directly come to the bank.
Yes.
So
You are very kind of person. Yeah.
it was a very good role play. Bank representative and a client who wants to open
Yes,
a bank account.
I really enjoyed. So I never did like that. But whenever someone says to me that you should do some role play or something like that, you are the second caller. Otherwise, one day I was having a role play over the Zoos application, and you are the first caller on this application that I am having role play, and I really enjoy this thing because you have the topic, you have the sentence in your mind to speak for that. So now I would like to know something about you. Or would you like to break the ice on any other thing?
Yes, I won't share one idiom. If you want, then I can share.
Okay.
uh, Man of his words. So the meaning is who is always keeps his promises. लाइक जो अपना वादा हमेशा पूरा करते हैं, कहते हैं ना मैं जुबान का पक्का हूँ, देन वी
Yes,
कैन यूज दिस इडियम मैन, अ मैन ऑफ हिज वर्ड्स.
a man of his word. Great. A
Yes.
man of his
And the
word.
second
I always
second
try
idiom
to
is,
man of my
mhm,
word. Yeah.
yes. And the second is man of few words. जो लोग बहुत कम बोलते हैं ना,
Okay.
लेकिन वो होते इंटेलिजेंट हैं, और जो बोलते हैं वो काफी इफेक्टिव वे में बोलते हैं. देन वी कैन यूज
Yes.
दिस इडियम मैन ऑफ फ्यू वर्ड्स.
Man of few word. Okay. Those who speaks in an effective manner, in precise format. We call them
Yes,
man of few words.
yes. Their
Okay.
words
And
are
the
very,
first,
have some importance. They always
yeah.
speak few words, but their words have effective in the life.
And the first
Okay,
one
third
was
idiom
what?
is man of letters.
A man of letter.
Letters. Man of letters.
Okay. Okay.
It means
What does it
who is
mean?
very scholar. Who is very scholar. That time we can
Scholar.
use this is. Scholar means intelligent, brilliant.
Okay. Okay. Who's very intelligent. A man of letters.
Man of letters. Not letter, letters.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Man of letter.
Hmm.
Okay. You are a man of letter. You played a role.
I don't know I am man of letters or not. But yes, I always read some idioms, some phrasal words, because in the beginning, yes, we are sometimes speaking broken English. But if you want to become advanced learner, so it is mandatory. You have to learn these idioms and phrasal verbs.
Yeah, I literally want to very advanced, but I don't know how can I become. Would you mind suggesting me any way so that I can become very effective in communication?
If you have plenty of time, then you should do video conversation, and you should do
Okay,
reading, writing, speaking, listening. These four steps are mandatory. But if you don't have spare time, then you should
okay,
only listening, and after that speaking every day.
okay, okay.
You can't give
So,
gap.
so how often, like, how much time do you spend on this application, like having conversation with the people every day?
Every day, generally, I'm doing only one video conversation. But sometime
Okay,
I'm doing two or three.
okay. So you always, I would like to say, you always play a role in the videos.
No, sometime I'm discussing some topics also.
Okay, okay.
But
So when
general
we were having,
conversation, if someone wants that they want only general conversation, that time I can do. But if someone is interested, like you are interested in role play, that time
okay,
definitely I will do this activity.
okay, because to have role play, we also need some topic because you suggested that time some topic. So if I talk about myself, that if someone is asking to me to play a role and he hasn't uh, any topic to play this story or role or drama, whatever it is. So that time I cannot get that
Because
topic to play the role.
from the beginning of the video, I have told whole scenario. I have told the
Okay.
whole scene, so that after that you feel okay, I can do. But
Uh,
randomly, if I'm asking, yes, definitely it is difficult.